Hi guys, welcome to my channel and welcome to today's video. In today's video, we are going to get rid of dark under eye circles, also puffy eyes and eye bags. Now I struggle with these for years, especially the dark under eye circles, and I've been making remedies for dark under eye circles, and some of these remedies are amazing that we now have our own eye creams using some of these remedies. So if you're interested in that, check it out. I'll put my store page right here, and I also have this view product. If you click on it, you will find some of our eye creams. We also have eye patches that are made out of collagen. So we have like avocado, blueberry, and black ghost. So check that out. Today I am making another DIY dark circle remover. This time I'm using just basic ingredients that I've already tried and know that they work to remove dark under eye circles. So if you're interested, if you want to see the new eye cream in the making, now continue watching the video. Now please watch the video to the end, and if you're new here guys and you have not yet subscribed, road to 2 million, so go ahead and click that subscribe button, and that way you will get a notification each time we post a video. Now let's get in the kitchen and start whipping this up. So the first thing we're going to start out with is some turmeric, and turmeric have to lighten and brighten the skin. We're going to be using about a half a teaspoon of the turmeric, pouring this in the bowl. This is going to help to clear the dark spot and blemishes, clear dark under eye circles, and also help to get toxin from the skin. Now here I have some leftover green tea, and a green tea is rich in antioxidant that can help to reduce wrinkles and fine lines. Mixing green tea with turmeric will help to get rid of eye bags, puffy eyes, and dark under eye circles. We're not using a lot of this, so we're going to pour about a tablespoon of the green tea, and we're going to be mixing it in the turmeric. Make sure that the green tea is hot when you are using it for this recipe. So we are totally blending the green tea and the turmeric. This we're going to set aside to brew and cool, and this is also going to brew the turmeric. So set it aside for about, let's say about 10 to 15 minutes or so, and make sure that it is completely cooled. Now while that is cooling, let's reach for some aloe vera gel, and this is an amazing ingredient to use under your eyes. We're going to be using about a tablespoon of the aloe vera gel. Aloe vera help to clear dark under eye circles, reduce wrinkles and fine lines, and it even help to get rid of eczema, good for removing suntan. Just an amazing ingredient to use overall. So now we're just going to wake this aloe vera gel up, just wake it up a bit. And what we're going to do next, we're going to reach for some oils. My first oil is going to be some coconut oil. And coconut oil is one of the better oil to use for dark under eye circles. It's sealed in moisture in the skin, preventing water from escaping. And this is also the best oil to use when you're trying to get rid of hyperpigmentation regardless of your skin type. So we're going to be using, and let me just pour this like this. We're using about a teaspoon of the coconut oil. My next oil is a very special oil, and I do know most of you might not have this oil. Use any other oil that you have, but if you can get your hands on kiwi oil, it is also another great oil to use for dark under eye circles, eye bags, and puffy eyes. It is rich in vitamin K and vitamin C. Now if you have olive oil, go ahead and use it instead of the kiwi oil also. Now we're using a teaspoon of the kiwi oil, pouring that in. And now we're going to mix our aloe vera gel with our kiwi oil and our coconut oil, and we are mixing well. Totally blend the oil into the aloe vera gel. We're using this aloe vera gel as a binder also to mix oil and water, because our turmeric green tea mixture is water. So in order for us to blend it completely together, we're using the aloe vera gel. So go ahead and mix well. You can also choose to put this in a blender for a more creamy creamier consistency. Now once we are done mixing our aloe vera gel and oil, and believe it or not guys, you can also use this as a standalone for your dark under eyes. So now we're going to reach back for our cooled turmeric and green tea mixture, and we're going to slowly pour this in. You do not want to pour all at once. So we're going to start out with about a teaspoon, and now we are going to slowly blend it in the mixture and just continue to blend. If you are short on time, go ahead and blend with a blender. However, I prefer to do it like this. So we're just going to mix and mix well, and this is going to have a gel-like consistency when you're done. So go ahead and mix, and now I'm going back for, I'm just going to pour all of it in here right now. And we're using about 2 tablespoons of the green tea and turmeric mixture. We're mixing well. Now if when you're done, if it seems a little bit watery and not too gel-like, then go ahead and add some more of the aloe vera gel like I'm doing here, because you want this to be able to go under your eyes as an eye cream, so you need it to be of a gel-like consistency. Now for those of you out there who do not have aloe vera gel and you have some flax seeds, go ahead and boil that flax seeds, set it aside to form the gel, and use it for this recipe. You can also use some chia seed for this recipe, but I prefer to use aloe vera gel. And now guys, our under eye circle is ready. It do need a little bit more blending out because I can see the aloe vera gel still there. Let me reach for my whisk. I use my whisk instead, which is gonna be faster. So I'm completely whisking this guys, just whisking this all together, and now we have our dark circle remover. I'm gonna be pouring this in a small jar, and make sure your jar is sterilized. And now let's pour our eye gel out. And this is it guys, this is your dark under eye circle remover using turmeric, green tea and aloe vera gel. If you have fresh aloe vera gel, yes, you can use it in this recipe. Also go ahead and add a bit of vitamin E oil to this. A small amount is all you need. And let me show you on my hand back right here. Just take a little dab, put it under your eyes, dabba 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 dabba, and this is good to use AM and PM. Watch your dark circles disappear, and also those eye bags and puffy eyes. Store in the refrigerator and use it up within 7 days.